I'm here in Germany, and it's a lovely pond, and this place is full of carp, and the road's just there, and every evening around about 6-7 o'clock, a beaver, European beaver, comes out there, goes all the way across there, gets his munchies, and goes all the way back again. It's really good. Now these carp are not very big, they're around about 4 or 5 pounds because there's so many of them in here. And my float is, but if you can see it, there he is. So let's see how we get on. I love coming here. I've stayed here an extra 3 days just because I found this little place, and it's just so quiet. There's nobody here. It's great, and it's full of fish. Life's good. It's brilliant. Anyway, let's see how we get on. We might catch some. We might not. You never know. Are we on? Looks like it. We are. There we go. Oh, it's only a small one. Oh, I don't know. Well, this is where I fall in because I fell in yesterday. A bit bigger than I thought. Come on. Here he comes. Come on, you chunky monkey. Oh, you're not ready, are you? Come on. Got you. Oh, it's not a bad weight. Right, try not to fall in. Not a bad size, actually. There we go. Big chunky carp. They don't get much bigger than this in here. It seems to be a bit overpopulated and the water level's really down. Luckily he's on it lip hooked. Come on. There we have it. One nice carp. I'll just put him back. Again, try not to fall in. Like I said, I did this yesterday and fell in. So that was that day finished. Go on, have your pop. There you go. Now, the rig I'm using, and I know a lot of carp fishermen out there spend thousands of pounds. I've got a 20 quid telescopic rod, £9 line, a bobber that I got from Walmart when I was in America, and it came in a bag of like 12 for like $5. No weight, just a hook and a lump of bread. And I've been catching them all day yesterday, all day the day before, and as you can see just now, dead simple, cheap but very effective. I've been using this all through my travels, and that's how I caught the rainbow trout and the chub. Dead easy. Like I said, this is a great spot, very peaceful, and it's full of fish. And this is where I am. All you've got is a house over there. Fields all the way around me. Sun's out, merrily getting nice and toasty. Beavers coming over. And when you go home from here, well, when I go back to the park up, usually around about 9 o'clock, you get deers and hares all over the road. You've got to watch it when you go out on the e-bike because they just jump out in front of you, which happened to me the other night. But it's great fun. It's great to see all the nature and the frogs and the beaver and everything else. It's fantastic. And you don't get this just sitting about doing diddly squat. It's just great fun. Not for everybody. Nobody likes fishing, I know that. Not everybody does. But it's not the point about fishing. It's just the point about sitting about and thinking about nothing other than crisps and pop and what am I going to do tomorrow? Probably the same as this. Anyhow, have a great day. See you later. Bye.